Sage and spirit is a testament to what's possible when inclusion is the standard. At Special Olympics New York, inclusion isn't just a word, it's at the heart of everything that we do. That's why our partnership with Azuna is so meaningful. Our athletes are over the moon excited to be a part of the Azuna team, from the marketing to the design to the shipping and the manufacturing. Our athletes were there every step of the way. They visited Azuna's HQ where they helped design the packaging. They got to see how Azuna is made and watched as their pouches were filled with sage and spirit for the very first time, before following them all the way to where Azuna is packaged and shipped to your door. Of course, the first deliveries went straight to the athletes, who couldn't be more proud of what they'd helped build together. You guys are being a champion of change. For every pouch that you purchase, a percentage will go back to Special Olympics New York so that our athletes can stay in the game. Join the inclusion revolution today.